Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a group photo using Higgsfield AI, a group photo effect rather. So here is how to do it. All you have to do is to go to higgsfield.ai, sign into your account or create one if you do not have one, click on visual effects, then click on group photo. It should take you to a page like this. Click on generate. Now since you want to create this particular effect, you should know that your picture should have a whole lot of should have the multiple group, or should have the group you are looking to create this effect with. Not, it should not be a single person. If not, it won't properly work. So you can now describe your scene or what you want the characters to be doing. So after that, you can choose your model, click on generate, and wait a few minutes. Your video should be ready for download, and you can download it here after watching it. This is an example of the one I've created using a different effect. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in another video. Let me also kindly request you subscribe to the channel, as we are trying to create content that actually matters in the AI world. Thank you very much, and do have a great day guys.